Eating is always beneficial, but eating well is even better. Let's not forget that food is medicine, especially when we use organic products. I am a professional DJ and music producer, but I also need to eat and nourish myself. Just as you create music, you can also create delicious food. It's like mixing and mastering flavors. Now, let me share a simple and delicious recipe: spaghetti alla carbonara. For 2 portions, you will need 240 grams of spaghetti, 90 grams of pork cheek, 50 grams of pecorino romano cheese, 3 large eggs, a little salt, and a little pepper, and 10 grams of parmesan cheese. And now, let's start cooking. First, we prepare the water to boil the pasta. Then we heat the pan, where we will add the guanciale. As it cooks slowly, we will melt the flavorful fat from the guanciale and add salt and pepper. Next, we add the pasta to the boiling water. While the pasta cooks, we break the eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. For the carbonara, we only need the yolks. We start mixing the yolks and add a little salt and pepper as well. Then, we add a splash of sparkling water, followed by the pecorino romano and parmigiano reggiano cheeses, mixing everything together well. Once the spaghetti is ready, about 6 to 8 minutes in the boiling water, we start heating the pan with the guanciale again and add the spaghetti, mixing them together. Then, we add our secret mix, but be careful to keep the heat low to avoid turning the spaghetti into an omelet. It should be creamy for just about a minute, and then it's ready. You can always add a little extra cheese at the end if you like. Enjoy your meal.